Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chrissy here. So today I'm gonna be trying out the Fenty Beauty foundation right here. The thing about it is I had to purchase this foundation online, and when I was trying to find my shade, I couldn't decide between 400, 410 and 420. I believe those are the names. I ended up going with 420. I still have not tried the actual foundation yet, so I don't know if it matches my complexion. I thought it would be fun to do it on camera, so this could either be a really fun and great video for me, or it could just be going south. So we're gonna be doing that today. I'm just gonna prime my face, do my eyebrows, and then get into it. I'm just gonna use my Epic ink liner by NYX and my Smashbox primer, and then I'm gonna dab my setting powder in my T-zones because I'm usually like really oily, so we're gonna go do that. So apart from seeing if this is the correct shade for my complexion, I really want to see if it covers up like my dark marks and stuff like that. Like I want to see how well it does with doing that. In terms of my shade, okay, I do have another foundation here by Milani. It's, what shade is this? It's the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation, and it's in the shade, I cannot find it. Oh, it's at the front. Nutmeg 11A, this one right here. I hope you guys can see that. Can you see that? Okay, so I know that I'm that shade in that one. I do have the other option, I'm gonna put like my shade match in other foundations in the description box below, so that this can actually kind of help you a little bit if you're trying to figure out your shade as well. Because when I was looking for videos to like find other girls that were my shade, it was kind of hard. I did find a few that helped, but it was a little difficult. Yes, I'm just using my setting powder to, you know, put in my T-zones so I don't like get super oily in those areas. And I'm like trying to do my makeup rushed right now because I got places to go. My eyebrows like natural, so it just darkens it a little bit. This one isn't done yet, so done, not done. First, so I'm just gonna get my brush. And it was used, okay, but it's not like there's any color on it, just to make sure that there's no color coming off of it. I don't know if it's sealed or not. I'm just gonna press. Okay, press. I'm trying to look for my other one to see if the shades. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. It's very liquidy. They do look very similar. The Fenty Beauty one is very liquidy. Like this is the Milani one, and I'm having very high hopes now for the shade match. Getting excited. Okay, I'm getting a little excited now. I might have brought the right shade. God alone, I gonna know when this oxidize. All right, definitely need more. Why did I just smell? Okay. Smell like makeup, duh. All right. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I can feel it like setting into my skin really nicely too. So the foundation, I think I did a pretty good job with the shade match. Thank God I never waste my money. Shopping online is such a risk. Like, such a risk. Okay, let me just, I'm gonna just do the, should I just do the rest of my makeup off camera? Because I'm like in such a rush. Let me just rip under this. Nearly just caught me eye. probably should actually let me set under my eyes and powder my face first before I love this color in espresso. Such a pretty color. Look at it. It's just pretty. Lubo, the TV is kind of loud. Or is that TikTok? Because it sounds like TikTok. Okay, follow me on TikTok. Look at this baby. Wow. Yes, thick and nice. Okay. Such a beautiful color. My NYX matte setting spray. Well, let me say matte. Let's see. No, because I wanted to show you guys how it looks, how my makeup looks without the light, the bright ass light. So this is without the light. I feel like you can maybe see it a little bit out, like without the light. Does that make sense? But to get an idea of the shade. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Like, have you ever ordered the wrong shade foundation? Because online shopping is a risk. I mean, even if you are in the store buying drugstore foundation, it's also a risk because you don't it's really hard to do shade matching, because even if you're using on your skin, it might not match your face some of the times. But yeah, so let me know down below and like this video if you care and share the video guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.